this is Marty Tech. Today I have a review model of the Parrot Minikit Slim. The Parrot Minikit Slim is retailed at a used value of $99.99. It's available at parrotshopping.com. Okay, so the Parrot Minikit Slim is a visor Bluetooth system for your car. You can also double it as a conference system if you want to use it at your home office or at your work, if you're really that cheap. It's pretty decent price at $99. I've seen systems compared to this, like Blue Ant, at around $49. It's a good system at a decent price. It has 3 buttons on the front, end key, your talk key, and a scrolling wheel that doubles as a button. Your microphone's here at the top, so if you face them like this, as you would in your car, the microphone is directly at your mouth. It also has a micro USB jack right here on the side, and when it's plugged in, it'll also have a red light come on to signify that it's connected to your computer. It also has a charging port, which is the micro USB, and comes with the micro USB charger for your car outlet, cigarette outlet. Okay, so the 3 functions in the menu: the volume,
update software by
Bluetooth, which you can do by just hooking up to your computer, running the software they have at their website, parrot.com, I believe, and then you just do that, and that's it. You must have a Bluetooth enabled computer. You can also do the same thing, just do the USB cord. Simple. Okay? It also has an e-card. You can send e-cards and it'll recognize your voice, so you can say, call Marty Tech. Simple. It'll recognize the voice, e-card name, and it'll be able to connect it via that way. I was not able to get it connected right now because I'm connected to my computer to try and do the streaming. It can do audio streaming via a computer. It does not work via iPhone or iPod Touch, so don't think it'll be working as a Bluetooth speaker. Already tried that. Okay, so for $99 you get a pretty good deal. It's very good quality, very good built. The only problem is, right here, you can press it in a little. I like a little bit more support, so just a little bit more assurance. But that's for the price, you're getting a good system at a good price. Okay, this is Marty Tech. Check if you like this new layout. Rate it below and comment if you like. Okay, go to martytech.tk for the blog. Link is in the description, and follow us twitter.com/markdegraca. Peace out. See you later.